Good day to you. Please introduce yourself.
My name is Norien Kalimpong, 35 years old, single, with one child, age of 18 years old, son. I have 3 brothers and 1 sister. I am 4th child of the family. I am high school graduate.
Okay. Can you tell me your work experience?
Yes, sir. I work in Kingdom of Saudi Arabia as a domestic helper for 2 years. I serve 6 members of family, 2 adult and 4 children. Firstborn, 9-year-old, second girl, 7 years old, third boy, 4 years old, and the last 3 months old baby. I do all household chores like cleaning, cooking, iron, washing, car washing, and my main duty is taking care of children.
Okay. In your previous employer, how would you take care of the children, especially when sick?
I always securing of the safety of the baby, sir. When the baby is sick, I will check the temperature. If the baby is sick, I call my employer.
Okay. How would you describe yourself?
I am hardworking, honest, and responsible, sir.
Okay. Do you have any tattoo?
No, sir.
Do you have surgery or serious sickness before?
No, sir.
Do you have an allergy to certain food?
None, sir.
Do you smoke and drink alcohol?
No, sir.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I wanted to work abroad to provide my family, especially my child, and to be also financially stable in the future.
Okay. If you get hurt, who will take care of your child?
My sister, sir.
Okay. If you're homesick, what would you do?
I will focus my work and remind myself I need this job for my family.
Okay. What time do you usually sleep and wake up when you were working?
I usually sleep around 10 p.m. after my work is done and wake up around 5 a.m.
Okay. Are you the one who do the cooking and marketing at home?
Yes, sir.
Sometimes kids are super active and they tend to be out of control. How would you control your temper?
I will be more patient and calmer when dealing with them, sir.
Okay. Do you accept no day off but to be paid instead by your employer?
Yes, sir.
When you visited the parents, relatives, and friends of your employer, will you help and do the housework there?
Yes, sir.
Can you promise not to lend money in Hong Kong?
Yes, sir.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, sir.
Are you willing to share a room with kids?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise not to use cell phone during working hours?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise to finish your contract?
Yes, sir. I am willing to extend if needed, sir.
Okay. Can you cook Chinese food?
No, sir, but I am willing to learn.
Okay. Can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, sir. A, B, C, D, A, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z.
Okay. What is your message to your future employer?
Good day, ma'am and sir. Hope you select me as your helper. I am hardworking, honest, and responsible person. I promise to serve your family with all my best. Thank you.
Okay.